Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The thing I am scared about you is this, that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will disclose the bounties of the earth to you." It was submitted, "What are the mundane blessings?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The fascinations of the world." A man submitted to him, "Can good cause evil?" The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained silent. So we thought that the divine message is being revealed to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then, wiping the sweat off his face, said, "Where is the questioner?" He submitted, "I am here." Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu says, "When he appeared, we extolled him." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Good always generates good, and this worldly property seems fresh and sweet, like the verdant vegetation of the spring, which either kills an animal by causing the belly of the animal to swell or make it terminally ill, except the animal that grazes green grass, and filling the flanks, it stands in the sun, curds, defects, urinates, and then resumes grazing. In the same way, this worldly property is sweet, and it is good means to get reward for him who takes it legally and expends it on the right cause. And whoso appropriates it is like the one who eats and never gets satiated." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6427.